Here's one of our more popular models that we sell at Unique, especially in classics. And this one's a nice one, 1991 Cadillac Brougham. This particular car, clean Carfax. Original miles, no accidents indicated. 24,653 miles is what's on the odometer right now. Underneath the hood, it's got the 5.7 liter V8. It's a big V8 underneath there, the desirable one. That is paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front. Grille, bumper, chrome. You can see the condition of it. It's what you'd expect for a low mile, well taken care of car. Paint on this one, bright silver metallic. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the interior, the undersides, engine bay, trunk, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Take a look up and down the passenger side of this car. You can see very straight. Not really much for paint chips, scratches, anything like that. I noticed one little tiny, and that's if I can get it to show up in the video right there. Just kind of one real small door ding. And that more than likely could be easily removed with a paintless dent removal service. Interior, a medium gray, split bench seat up front. Of course, these were extremely nicely equipped cars. This particular one does have the vinyl roof, of course, and the power sunroof. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Lots of times on these, you see these filler panels that fill the gap from the rear fender to the bumper. Will be kind of rotted or cracked or aged. As you can see, these are in nice shape. Same with the filler panel right here. And then, of course, gas fill behind the license plate on these. Filler panel all good there, and then also over on the driver's side here also. Once again, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Don't know if I mentioned that earlier when we mentioned the engine or not. Take a look up and down the driver's side. Again, pretty much free of nicks, dings, or scratches. Haven't noticed really any over on the driver's side. Low mile, clean Carfax. Vinyl top, not showing its age, cracking, anything like that. That would be the original top. Let's show you the rear seat here also. First off, give you an idea of what kind of condition. The car actually still smells new. The leather smell in it. Of course, power seat, both sides in the front. And then all your other amenities with the power windows, power locks, tilt, cruise. This is also the telescopic wheel. All right, let's go ahead and start this up. I want you to be able to take a look at the engine bay, hear it run. Of course, wipers, horn, all working on this one. These also have the automatic climate control. Of course, the AM/FM radio with a cassette player. There's your exact miles, 24,653. No warning indicator lights on up here except for the fasten seatbelt. Did not click that on when I got in. Beautiful, luxurious cars. If you've never went down the road in one of these, you don't know what you're missing. These are some of the better cruising Cadillacs. Of course, the long wheelbase, the rear wheel drive. You cannot get a better ride than that rear wheel drive car. And it really shows in these. All right. As you can see, the ride level control is working. Clicked on. Raised her up in the back just a little bit after I got in it. All right, let's slip around to the rear. Sounds like you'd expect a 1991 Cadillac Brougham to sound. Again, 5.7 liter underneath the hood. So it's got the good one, big engine there. All right, I'm gonna slip up to the front, pause this a second, and let's check out that engine bay, see how that looks.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There's that 5.7 liter. Take a look underneath the hood liner. Very clean. You hear the compressor kick on and off for the AC, and again the AC is working. Power steering, power brakes, nice and tidy. Again, what you'd expect with a car with this kind of miles on it. 1991 Cadillac Brougham, original mile car, clean Carfax. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with a sales associate when you call or email.